Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pics and I am Payal. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very easy and beginner friendly Madhubani owl painting. Here I use only paints to create this painting. For coloring, I use Camlin 24 set brush pens and for bordering, I use waterproof black gel pen. A dedicated video on Camlin 24 set brush pens were posted on my YouTube channel. If you want, please watch that video for gaining knowledge about brush pens. I put that video link in my description box as well as mentioned on the above I button. And one more thing, please keep watching the full video. It's a request. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post all the final outcomes of my drawing. Please have a look and follow me there. I put that link in my description box and also mention on my screen. This is the final version of my drawing. I try to make this drawing as simple as possible so that you can create this painting very easy way. If you draw this painting, then please DM me your picture with your name to my Instagram account. I want to display your version on my YouTube channel and also my Insta account. If you like my drawing, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in my comment section what you think about my drawing. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.